the previous videos we are just going through the chapter number 4, that is rational number. In that we have just seen up to the exercise 4b. Okay. In exercise 4b I have done some of the sums of question number 1, 2, 3, and from question number 4 I have just given you 4, 5 and 6 to do in your homework. I think you have done that, so I am just doing any of the 2 to from that. Okay students, so you can just understand if you have any doubt for that. So here first of all, exercise 4b, question number 4. In that we will do is C, that is 7 minus 11 is equal to dash upon 99. So I think some of the students have did it, but some hasn't do it. So C, and the another word that would be F, that is 1 by 7 is equal to dash by 63. Okay, so let us do this too from this question number 4. Okay, so from here we know that here it is minus 11, here it is minus 11, so we have to take here minus. If see here I am just multiply 7 by 11, and here is a sign of minus. Then if I multiply 11 with dash, then I will get 99. 11 with 9 and 7 is also 9. Then it will be equivalent fractions. But here you can see in 99 there is no minus sign. So we will put this minus sign above side. So 9 7s are 63, but which minus 63 upon 99. Okay. So here the answer is minus 63. Okay, moving forward. In this one, it is 1 by 7. So what is to be multiplied with 7? Then I will get 63. Then we have to multiply 9 with 7. Then we will get 63 as our answer. So here 9 ones are 9 and 7 nines are 63. So here our answer is 9. Please note down these two students, and we will move further in question number 5, and we will do from that 5. Next, now question number 5 students, from that also we will do 2. So question number 5, fill in the boxes to make an equivalent rational number in each of the following. This we have to do as in the above only, but we have to find here the numerator, and this question number 5 we have to find the denominator. Okay students, so from that I will just do is E and F. E, that is 8 by 12, and F, that is 16 by 48. So here they have given F, that is minus 2, and we have to find the denominator, and here they have given 4. Okay, so let us do it. Here we know that minus 2 is given. So what should be multiplied by minus 2? So we get 8. So here if I multiply minus 2 into dash minus 2 means I have to multiply this here. If I say that 4 2s are 8, but here minus plus minus will come minus answer. So if I multiply minus 4 that is minus minus plus 4 to the 8. So here in the downside also we have to multiply it with minus 4. Okay, so now what should be multiplied by minus 4 that you will get the answer, that is 12. So minus 4 into 3, that is minus 12. So if I just multiply minus 4 into minus 3, that is minus 4 into minus 3, that is 12 plus 12. So your answer is plus 12. Sorry, here it's to be minus 3. Okay, minus 3. That is your answer. Now, moving towards this. So, what should be multiplied by 4? So, you can get 16. So, it is 4 4s are 16. So, in the down also we have to multiply with 4. Okay. So, how many 4s are? That is 48. 4 12s are, that is 48. So, here if I cut 4 4, then your answer will be 12. Okay. So, please note down this. And here on this side, question number 6. Question number 6. So in question number 6, I will just do is E, that is 72 upon 80 and 9 upon 10. Okay, so you have to find that which sign will come over here. Okay, so I will not do this, I will do like this. Okay, now another one, that will be C, minus 6 upon 11 minus 11 upon 20. Okay, so here we have to find out the which one is, we have to do the sign greater than, less than, or equal to. So from this we have to just think that which will come. Then here we know that if we want to just make the denominator similar, taking the LCM, so here it is 80 and here it is 10. So if I just multiply 10 with 8 and here is also with 8, so 10 8s are, that is 80, 9 8s are, that is 72. So we have got here 72 by 80. So these both are equal. These both are equal. Moving forward, here it is 20 and here it is 11. So what we will do is, here we will multiply this with 11 and this, here also 11, and this with 20 and this with also 20. So we will get the answer 6 to the 12. So minus 120 upon 11 to the 22 upon 220, and here this side 11 11 is a 1 to 1 minus 1 to 1 upon 20 into 11, that is. So from this, which one is greater? All will say 1 to 1, but that is not the correct answer. In minus, if the sign is minus, then it will become its inverse. Okay students, now here the greater is minus 122 and smaller is minus 1 to 1. Okay, please note down this students. Now in the question number 7, Question number 7. We have to find the absolute value of the following. So question number 7. In that we will just do is A, that is 7, and another one we will do is F, that is minus 31 upon 49. Minus 31 upon 49. So here if we want to find the absolute value, then we will know that the 7's absolute value will be 7 only, and here the minus 31 upon 49's absolute value will be 31 upon 49. The minus sign will be, take it out. Okay, so this is your answers of the question number 7. And here it is, arrange the following rational numbers. Let us do that. In 8th A it is in the ascending order, and in 8th B it is descending order. So I will do from both 1 1 over here. Question number 8. A, that is to be done in the ascending order. So that I am just doing is 7 by 9, 5 by 6, 11 by 12, minus 1 by 3, minus 3 by 4. Okay, so this we have to do in the ascending order. Let us do that. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of all. Why? Because we have to just, what do? We have to just put this LCM so we can easily find out the ascending order of it. So here, first of all, 9, 6, 12, 3, 4. So here I think it will go with nothing, because if I will take 2, then 3 will remain as it is, 9 will remain as it is. If I take 3, then 4 will remain as it is. So what we have to do? So we have to take the LCM, then our LCM is what? Our LCM is what? We have to take first of all 2. Here 9 will as it is, 3s are, 6s are, 1s are, 2s are. 2 1s are 2, else all as it is. Here taking 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Again with 2, and 3 1 1 will as it is 3 over here. 3 1s are 3. So the LCM, that is what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 3. Okay, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 2 5. So here 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. 18 4s are 40 plus 8 4s are 32. So your answer will be 72. Okay, 18 4s are 72. So the LCM of this are 72. Okay, now we have to do all the same denominator. So let us do that. So here the LCM is 72. So first of all, what is to be multiplied by 7 by 9? here. What should be multiplied by 9? Then it will be 72, then 8. So here also 8. Now 5 by 6. 5 by 6. So 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 6 are 72. So here it will be 12. Then 11 upon 12. 12 6 are here also 6. Now minus 1 by 3. So 3 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 4s are 12. 24 3s are 72. So here also 24. And the last one, that is minus 3 by 4 into 4 into how much is equal to 72? 4 1s are 4. Then remaining 32. 4 8s are 32. Okay. 4 8s are 32. Now we will 7 8s are 7 7s are 14 and 7 8s are 56 upon 72. This one 6 here denominator will remain same. 5 12s are 60. Here also 72. Okay, 11 6 are 66. Okay. Here also 72 minus 24. Next. Here also 72. 18 3s are 30 plus 24. 30 plus 24, that is 54. But which? Minus 54. Okay, minus 54. So these are our rational numbers with same denominators. Okay students, now we will put in this in the ascending order. So let us put this in the ascending order. So first of all, we will start with minus. So this is minus 24 and minus 54. So which will come first? This one or this one? I think this one will come first. So that is minus 54 upon 72. Another one, that is this one, minus 24 upon 72. Now the lowest one is 56, so it will come, that is 56 upon 72. And the another one will come, that is 60, that is 60 upon 72. And at last it is 66 upon 72. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay students, please note down this. Okay, have you written students? Now just moving towards 8b, that is descending order. In this also we will do the same only. So 8th one, sorry, question 8b, question 8b, in that also we will do is first one only, that is 7 by 10, 2 by 5, 7 by 10, 2 by 5, minus 11 by 15, 1 by 6, 17 by 30. Okay, so first of all we have to find the LCM. Let us find it. So 10, 5, 15, 6, 30. So starting with 2, no, we will start with 3 only. No, anything, no, yes. 2 5s are 10, 5 as it is, 15 as it is, 3s are 15. Now with 3, 5 as it is, 5 as it is, 5, 1, 3, 5. Okay, and at last 5 in the 5. So our LCM, that is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. That is 5 to the 15 and 15 to the 30. Okay. Here now just putting the same denominator. So here it is 7 by 10. So what is to be multiplied by 10? So it will become 30. Then 3. Here also 3. Now 2 by 5. So what is to be multiplied by 5? Then it will become 30. 5 6 are 30. So in the numerator also we have to multiply with that. Here it is minus 11 by 15. So 15 2s are and 11 2s are. Another one, that is minus 1 by 6. 6 5 are 30. Here also. Now the last one, that is I am writing here only 17 30. So it is as it is. Why? Because the denominator is 30 only. Now 7 3s are 21 upon 30. 6 2s are 12 upon 30. Minus 11 into 2 minus 22 upon 30. 5 upon 30 and 17 upon 30. So these are with the same denominator, and this we have to just put it into which descending order. So first of all we will have to put the highest one, that is 21 upon 30. Then next will come, that is 17, that is 17 upon 30, and another one, that is 12 upon 30, and after that is 5 upon 30, and another one, that is minus 22 upon 30, minus 22 upon 30. Okay, so these are the answer. Sorry, this is the answer of descending order. Please note down this, students. And in your today's homework, you have to do is, we have done today question number 7, 8, question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. 9 and 10 you have to try at your home by your own, and in next video I will do from that 2 to, okay, and the 7 and 8 remaining questions you have to do at your home. Okay, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.